What's going on, guys? Just want to jump on and show you a little hack that I've been using lately to try and find new trade setups. It's been shared a few times in MBA and other groups that I've been a part of, so I thought I'd just quickly jump on here and show you how to do it. So what you do is go to CoinMarketCap, and what you would like to do is click on the column here that says the weekly percentage, and look for the percentage drop. So you swap the menu so it goes from the bottom down. So this is the top 100. So as far as liquidity and market cap goes, you're going to have high market caps and high 24-hour trading volume. So usually they suggest sort of a minimum of 50 million so that there is liquidity there and it's being traded. So but when you're in the top 100, you're never really going to have that issue. So first thing is you look for coins and projects that have had a recent fall, which is obviously going to be a lot of these projects right now, just the fact that Bitcoin has dragged the market down, but recently bounced. So then you come across to this 24-hour percentage column as well and look for ones that have had a large recovery. So or even signs of a recovery. So then what you just go through and look at the ones that you think are going to offer the best opportunity, because things like for instance, Avalanche here has had a 25% drop in the last 7 days, but it's had 6% recovery. So I'll go through and just look at these ones. I might even just pick 10 out that I think have the most potential. But just for the sake of this video, I've already got a couple there. So Avalanche, Sushi, Cosmos, Matic, and Compound. Probably not Compound as much. Like you see, that's not that. So we won't use Compound as an example, but maybe even like Ren and Polkadot. So you'd go through back to your charts. And like I've done here, I'll just flag these off as a color. So flagging them off, and then I'll just go through and chart this list. So as you can see there's had a strong sell-off over the last 7 days, like that. And then you can see that it is attempting to make a recovery. And then you just go through and chart this and then see whether you like these setups or not, because this is just going to give you the best opportunity for a cheaper buy. Like instead of what most people will do is they'll jump on the CoinMarketCap and see which ones are pumping and go jump into these ones because they go, oh, everyone's in these ones, and they jump in. But you might get lucky, but it's all about probability. And then, like I said, using these pullbacks as a good entry point. So obviously this is broken past these lows here, but it's finding support down in this level. So if you find a point of interest, you can just go down to the lower time frames or whatever time frame you want to enter on, and you might just wait for, say, a break of these highs here. If we come up through and break here, let's see if we're changing the sentiment, and then looking for an entry or maybe a pullback here for a continuation up. So that's just a good little way of finding setups or just finding coins instead of shifting through 1,000 charts, going through all these charts and just wasting your time. You can go through and finding ones that might potentially give you a better entry rather than jumping on ones that have already moved. So that's just a quick little video, just give you guys a little insight. It's a good little hack, and it's actually improved a lot of my trading and just more time efficiency instead of just sitting there looking at charts for hours on end for no reason. So you just go in there and have a purpose, pick out 10 charts a day, chart them up, see which ones you like. If you don't like them, then don't trade them. So that's just how I think a good way of doing it, and just cuts out a bit of the noise. So give that a go, and cheers for watching.